Hello everybody, how are we all? Today I'm going to be doing, let me show you, Wagyu loaded burgers. Now I've got a bit of a problem with them. Well, let's have a look and open them up and I'll tell you. Now, here they are. £3.99 there was from Aldi. Now if you look at the date, it says the 29th of June, right? Which is obviously next week. I think they had them in for Father's Day, £3.99p. Now I went up there the other day, a couple of days after Father's Day, and they're £1.99. So why is Aldi ripping you off when the date's fine? They've got absolutely loads left because I take it no one bought them because it was well too expensive. For 2 burgers, I mean they look nice, to be honest with you. But why not just charge £1.99 in the first place? That's my gripe with them. I think they're just ripping people off, ain't they? That's all it is. And I don't find that's very acceptable with them, to be honest with you. When you've got a week left on dates, they're not short dated or anything like that. I think they're just trying it on. Absolutely trying it on. Anyway, enough of that little bit of a rant there. So we've got a couple of onion rings for both sides. Sure you can see. We've got the toppings there. 2 toppings. And obviously 2 burgers. 2 Wagyu burgers. What's them toppings? Where is it? Bacon and gherkin topper with battered onion rings, and there's the burger, the finished product, give or take depending how you like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it all in the air fryer. So I'll put the burgers in first. When they're virtually done, I'll put, with about 10 minutes to go, I'll put them in, the onion rings, and then I'll put the toppers in, and we'll see what it comes out like. Right, while that air fryer's warming up, just going to have a bit of one spray in a bowl. Put a bit of salt in there and I'm going to mix the burgers up. Only table salt for us. There's only me having these burgers anyway today. That's just having a salad, I think. On a flatbread. That's what Matt's having. There we go. Air fryer's warmed up. Hopefully you can see. Let's move it back a bit. I've got my other air fryer on there. I'm doing a few chips with it. We'll get these in, leave a bit of room so I can put my other stuff there. Alright guys, there they are, they're looking nice. I've been turning them over and that. Now I'm going to get my onion rings in. And what I'm going to do with them, with what was it, bacon and gherkin toppers, I'm going to stick them on top of the buns at the end. I was going to put them on a bit of foil in there just to cook up, but I think I'll put them on top of the buns. That's what I'll do. Top of the buns. I mean, top of the burgers. Right, let's have a look. There we go. Check these onion rings. Yeah, turn them over. And I'll get the toppers on them burgers now. And I'll probably lower the temperature a little bit on it now as well. There we go, we get a couple of minutes. Right, while they're finishing off, a couple of minutes to go, we're going to get some burger sauce on the bottom. Today, no mayo, I'm not going to have any mayo today. A bit of burger sauce. Get a mix in. Probably in the way of the camera as usual. Done a bit of lettuce and a bit of tomatoes. We've got some lettuce on the bottom of that one. On both of them actually. Now I'm going to put a couple of tomatoes on the bottom, because I've got the topping to go on the top, so I'll put the tomatoes on the bottom today, like that. Burgers should be about done now. There's the onion rings, they're looking quite nice, I don't know if you can see them. Yep, they're done. Get this one, I've got the dog here now, so I'll... Oh yes, looking nice, isn't it them? Looking nice. Now you want your big onion ring and your little onion ring on both. I'm just going to have a bit of tomato ketchup on top today. Put a blob in the middle. Like that, so hopefully it might run down a bit. And then onto the burger. I got myself some little skewers because I know it's going to fall, innit? I know it's going to fall. Let's go straight through the middle like that. Go on, dribble on. That's it. Get on there. There's them and a few chips in the middle. With a little bit of salt on top. There we go then, guys. Wagyu burgers. Now they look delicious, don't they? Zoom in a bit. Show ya. Forgot to press record when I was just talking to you, so I've got to do it again. So what do you think? I put tomato ketchup on it now. What do you think? Yes? No? I think they look quite nice, don't they? But the same my gripe is $3.99, but they send them a couple of days later for $1.99, and they're not out of date, as you seen. If they was out of date or getting close to date, then you'd understand it. So just because it's Father's Day, they don't need to rip you off, do they? Like that. And there's loads left, so that's why no one obviously buying them, because they're too expensive for what they are. But hey up. But they look delicious, as I say. Let me show you a closer look. Oh, you can see. There, that way we're a bit better, look. There we go. Just the problem of eating it now, innit? I'm going to have to squash it all together, try and get my gob around it. And I can't see that happening, because it's just going to go everywhere, innit? I might have to get a knife. Everywhere. Right. I have to get a knife. And cut it in half, if I can. Don't see this on cooking shows there, they can't pick it up. It's all going to fall apart, innit? We all know that. I can't even grab it, look. Have I got any stuff there? Oh yeah, there all these all together. Looks a... Let's just get it down my neck, eh? Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh, and I like that topping as well. Bacon and gherkin top. Oh, that's really nice. Oh yes. Show you the inside now. Oh, that goes, oh wow. That goes well together, that does. That's really nice. Now, you sure you don't want this burger? No. No. Okay. That is delicious. Yeah, as I say my only gripe is, why charge you more when it's less a couple of days later? That's all. Apart from that, it's absolutely bang on. Would I pay £4 for it? No, I wouldn't. Not when they can sell them for £2. Out of principle. Well, there you go anyway. So I'm the old food guy. I'm going to go and eat it now. Got August cold. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.